when I think of motorcycle road trip, this is all I want to do. I don't want to go to the East Coast. I don't want to go to the Southeast. All I want to do is go from the Midwest and head west. That's a herd of elk right over there. Big herd. Last night, most of the night, well, several times during the night, I heard an elk bugle not very far away at all. I mean, I'd say within 200 yards. It was awesome. Heard coyotes howl too. Didn't really expect to hear coyotes. Hear those all the time in northern Minnesota when I camp up there, but yeah, that was awesome. Be able to get around this guy here. Yes. Oh, so pretty. Yep, this is the west side of the Bighorn Range. This is what you get. Oh, thank you. The Holiday Rambler is pulling over for us. That's the guy that's been holding up the line. Yeah, I really can't believe these two guys won't pull over. There's nobody in front of them. We've passed several very wide pull-offs, but they're just in their own world, or don't care, or don't like motorcyclists. So this canyon was, I suppose, formed by this river. There's a river off to the right here. I'll look up to see. I don't know if it's the Tongue River. I don't think it's the Bighorn River. Yeah, it might be the Tongue. Look it up. But we're down in this canyon, and it's really spectacular. Particularly when you're doing 22 miles an hour behind a diesel belching RV in a travel trailer. Still on US 14, got about 14 miles to, I believe, to Gray Bull. Well, I'd hate to be here when a rock slide occurred. And just like that, the scenery changes. I mean, like the snap of a finger. I just exited the canyon. You can kind of see it in the rear view. I don't know if that works or not, but anyway, as soon as I got on a straight stretch of road, I hammered it, got around those two RVs, and it looks like a different planet. All right, we're in the town of Gray Bull, elevation 3,700 feet, population 1,000, something like that. Get gas and then head south a little bit and then back up the other side of the Bighorn Range. Sweet. All right, just a quick update. I peeled off of US 16 and I'm headed southeast on Wyoming 31. Give you a wind cut here. It's hot, 87 degrees. You got the Bighorn range over here to the east. I'll tell you what, it's barren out here. It's hot too. It's up to 90. Not a lot going on out in this part of Wyoming. Whole lot of nothing. Pretty though. Still beautiful scenery. Look at these red hills. And then a green hayfield. Hey, I forgot to turn the camera on, but this is the town of Tensleep. It's such a small town, I almost have missed it. So sorry about that. There is gas here. It's the only gas station I saw. Yeah, small town at the kind of the foot of the Bighorns. So we're right down here. I just jumped on US 16. So now I'm back on kind of the main US highway drag. Pretty spectacular. Incredible. Oh boy. Scenic overlook stop. Look at that view, folks. There's a river running down in the bottom of the canyon, and we're just surrounded by these tall canyon walls. It's absolutely spectacular. Look at that. And the road just serpentines around the side of the, what I guess it's the north face. You know, I just noticed there's a dirt road over on the other side of the canyon. Don't know where that goes. So I'll tell you, the Tensleep Canyon is a 10. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Since I stopped at Tensleep Canyon, the temperature has fallen 20 degrees. So it's actually very comfortable. It's like riding in air conditioning now, because it was a little hot, but that was just 15 minutes ago, probably. All right, this is Lakeview Campground. I'm on the driveway. There's RV camping up here. This road I'm on here is tent only. I'm just checking it out to see what the possibilities are. Of course, it's really loose gravel, which is convenient. Look at that, couple FJRs. Gen 2 and a Gen 3. These boys are both from Minnesota. This is pretty country. I'm 20 miles from the campground. It's so nice not having any traffic ahead of me on these beautiful roads. Alright, just swung into the Clear Creek campground. Actually, it's the South Fork campground. This is called the South Fork of Clear Creek. And I am sitting in the hammock right now. Campsite right there. You can see my jacket hanging up. And then the motorcycle back there.